Hello, 6th grade. Today is Wednesday, October 21st. Today in class, basically the class work we did that everybody did was week 2, Wednesday of a writing packet. We had 2 of the longest simple sentences on the planet. Sorry about that. We ended up with your 2 simple sentences that you need to combine to make compound and complex are, I politely asked if he could sit by me and my friends at lunch. We got a new student from Billings, Montana in our class today. We decided that we could make those compound by starting with sentence 2. We got a new student from Billings, Montana in our class today, comma, so I politely asked if he could sit by my friends and me at lunch. That's a little bit of a grammar error up there. We should always put our friends before ourselves. So it should say, my friends and me. And then to make it complex, we decided that we could add in the word since instead of a comma so or a comma but. Those are compound conjunctions or sentences to make, conjunctions to make sentences compound. We need a subordinating conjunction to make it complex, so we need like because or when or since, and we decided we could say since we got a new student from Billings, Montana in our class today, comma, I politely asked if he could sit by me and my friends at lunch. Period. Make sure that you have correct punctuation as you are doing these practices. You can check it down at the bottom. Then the rest of class today we talked about which character you felt most closely connected to, and we did kind of a practice. I wrote a little bit better of a sample Race's writing on the board. Yours does not have to look like this, but it says the character I feel a connection with is Puck, because he's a storyteller and so am I. The text states, and then I would find the part in the text where he says, I'm going to introduce you to these characters, and I would put that in quotes because I take it right out of the book. And then you just need an explaining sentence, so you might say, this shows that Puck and I are both people who like to talk a lot and tell stories. And then your sum it up sentence could say, I would probably be friends with Puck because we both talk a lot, so we would get along listening and talking all the time. Something very basic like that could be your Race's writing. And that was what was assigned. It should be turned in Google Classroom for October 20th. October 20th. The instructions look like this. And when you click on the assignment, you get a blank Google Doc. And your assignment is to either read for 20 minutes or if you're still working on your leveled reader project, keep working on that. It's due tomorrow. We want to show it off tomorrow. Your other assignment is to finish reading the play for Monday. So between now and Monday, finish reading it. And then we are going to pick parts of it to act out in class for those of you who are in class. And that's pretty much it. Waggle for 20 minutes, read or work on your leveled reader project, and make sure that you finish reading that play by Monday. That's all I have for you today. Have a lovely day. And, I know what we should do. I am going to cancel my Google Meets for tomorrow. There won't be any Google Meets tomorrow. If you need me to meet with you because you have a question and you want to talk, I think I'll have time on Friday, so kind of mid-morning I have some openings. So I would like to meet then if you can. So feel free to send me an email saying you want to meet on Friday if you would like. And that's it. Have a good day.